Hello lovelies, welcome back to Kai's Corner. I'm Kai and I'm sharing a very quick recipe with you today that you can make under 15 minutes. And you can see this recipe is packed with great nutrients. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur Kai's Corner, je suis Kai et aujourd'hui je partage une recette vraiment facile à réaliser en 15 minutes. Et comme vous pouvez le voir, c'est tellement bon. Là, je vous montre tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour la recette d'aujourd'hui. So guys, let me quickly show you all the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. So we have some green beans, peppers, use half of these onions, spring onions, 2 carrots. I have some leftover chicken wings here. This is the butter beans I'm going to use. Just make sure you drain the water. Chopped tomatoes is already mixed with some onions and garlic. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 spoons of tomato puree. Donc voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour la recette facile et rapide que je partage avec vous aujourd'hui. Guys, let's get right into it. If you want to obtain the same result, you can strain the water, use also half of it and just throw the rest. Et l'eau que vous voyez sur l'haricot, je vais utiliser la moitié. Donc vous pouvez faire la même chose si vous voulez obtenir le même résultat comme moi. Okay, we're going in now with the oil. Let's add our chopped onions. I will be using half of this. It's a little bit sour, so I'm just adding a little bit of bicarbonate. Once you add the bicarbonate, just stir it a little bit, and then when you taste it again, you're going to notice the change immediately. Donc après avoir ajouté tous ces ingrédients, laissez cuire à feu doux et notre haricot sera le tout dernier ingrédient qu'on va ajouter parce que c'est déjà préparé. So guys, we're going in now with green beans because it takes a little bit of time to cook. You can see how lovely it's looking already. Very easy recipe. You can make this under 15 minutes and have it with rice, some baguettes or any side dish of your choice. I'm going to add the leftover chicken, but feel free to add any meat if you want to, but this is optional. You can even have it without meat, so it's up to you. Nice. So if you don't like it too thick, that's where you add a little bit of water. Stir it. Add as many vegetables as you like. I'm going to go in now with the peppers. Leave it here for 2 to 4 minutes. Then it will be all ready. Very easy, quick recipe. You can make this under 15 minutes for the whole family. I just use 1 can of beans. It depends on how many people you are cooking for. Nice, delicious. Let's serve the food. perfect for vegetarians. And of course, you guys, you know what time it is, right? Midnulo, meaning you are invited to enjoy this loaded recipe with me. So get your fork. Mangeons. N'oubliez surtout pas de commenter. Vous allez accompagner votre haricot avec quoi? Okay, let's dig in. Quite hot. Very, very delicious. This one is for you guys. Enjoy. Let me have it with the baguette now. So nice. Love it. This is the end of today's video. If you like it, which I'm sure you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, share this video with family and friends, and do me a big favor if you are new here, subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and always remember to eat healthy. Bye for now. Voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé cette recette. Si c'est le cas, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un pouce bleu, partager avec la famille et les amis. Et si vous êtes nouveau sur ma chaîne, abonnez-vous s'il vous plaît afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. N'oubliez surtout pas de commenter. Vous allez accompagner votre haricot avec quoi? À très bientôt. Au revoir.